Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today I thought I would take you along with me as I go see what's new in stores at Tuesday morning. Guys, can you believe they already have Easter decor out? Like what? We just left Christmas. It's not even Valentine's Day yet. But anyway, I'm still here for it. I do like these plates. They are so cute with a little rabbit. So sit back, grab a drink, and enjoy, and let me know what was your favorite item that you saw at Tuesday morning. Stay through to the end to see what Christmas clearance is still left at Michael's. Like, I couldn't believe it. There's tons. So of course, I'm waiting for it to go 80 to 90% off. But right now, I am really loving those Easter plates. So I decorate for Easter. Not a lot, but just a little bit. Do you guys decorate for Easter? Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know. And if you do decorate, do you use pastel colors or do you use neutral colors? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I do tons of home decorating on a budget that I think you would really enjoy. I love clearance. You'll see lots and lots of clearance on my channel, so if you want to save money, make sure you subscribe.